Hey everyone, and during this video, I'm gonna at the end of I think it was this video. If it wasn't, I will tell you what happened, okay? Because I know I made 2 separate videos, but yeah, that's my dog if you heard it. But yeah, just sound warning and stuff for headphone users that have it all the way up because the music is scary for some people, and there's a lot of screaming. And yeah. Alright, enjoy. Okay, I'll explain everything later to you guys, okay? I'll explain why I'm white and stuff. I have the sword, I'm not...
Wait until he comes down there! Wait until he comes up there! Go down to maze! Everybody go to maze!
Don't yell it out! Don't yell it out! Don't yell it out! He'll find out! We'll find out where all of you guys are.
You're right.
Okay, where are we? Go to the yellow monster. Go to the yellow smiler.
If you see a white cube falling down there, run!
No, if it has a screaming mat, if it has like a...
He's right behind us! He's right behind us!
Do you hear that music? Hey everyone, Future Firebreaker here. So during the video, it wasn't the right one. So I'll tell you guys what happened. So a Cyclops joined earlier to attack all of us. So what we did was we were like hiding. So we were all hiding. They left and we were all practicing. During the Absorber drill, which is basically a place like music that's like it basically has like this weird hair. It doesn't have any eyes or something. For version 1 people, it's kind of like the wall from the running level, from the Run for Your Life in chapter 1. Yeah. But we were doing a drill, and in the middle of that drill, one actually came. And it freaked all of us out. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's what happened, and I hit a maze.